Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Volkswagen Caddy. So from any screen, it's on phone at the moment, you want nav up here. Click on nav. Now just watch out at the bottom there. There you go, it's disappeared. Sometimes you'll switch on, especially if you're new to the car, and there doesn't appear to be anywhere to input your destination. If you put your hand towards the screen, then this set of buttons, touch screen buttons, come up on the sat nav. New destination. Click on new destination. It's the first time, so you've got to agree you're not going to be distracted and so on. The entry bar is in the top. We want Grosvenor Garage, we're Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A, PR5 4EA. It brings up there Lancashire, so you've got to select it's the right one basically. So we'll click on that. That's it, PR5 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, United Kingdom. Again, after you've just clicked on it to make sure, then you've got to click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
That's it, it's quite simple. Gives you three choices. The fastest one, including motorways, I think is the top one. So that's the one.
Please follow the A675 for 100 yards.
So that's it. That's how you do the sat nav. Another thing, when you get close to your destination, or you get onto a motorway, and you know, I mean, you're coming back from London, you want to get on the M1. Once you're on the M1, you know the way, you know the rest of the way. So you want to stop directions. So again, there's nothing on the screen. You put your hand up to the screen, you click route, and then stop route guidance. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.